Alright guys, just mixing a little bit of primer right here. I'm gonna throw, test out a little bit of primer right here on the bedside. So, just got this new spray gun today. It's just a Essential Pneumatic from Harbor Freight, but it has a regulator, comes with a regulator. And then I also got an oil water separator because it is kind of humid out here, and anytime you're painting anything, you should probably have that anyways. So and if you guys are painting anything, make sure to clean your surface before you paint. I like to use acetone. It keeps it nice and dry. You don't have to wait for, like, say for instance, water to dry, because you don't want to paint on a wet surface. It's gonna not let your paint stick to the surface. It's gonna bubble up and give you bad results. So yeah, acetone or some alcohol base. All right, so I sprayed most of this side of the truck. Didn't end up taping up the windows yesterday, so Leah's taping up the windows right now, getting this all going over it again so I can spray over it, give it another coat of primer, and just hit this bedside right here. And we just need to finish taping that up, tape the window up, take the back window up, and then I'll just hit it with some more primer. But she's looking good. All right, got everything taped up on the truck, and finished sanding all this yesterday, getting it ready. Taped all that. Just block sanding some of the hood right here from the old primer. It's just a little rough, so just smoothing it out before I hit it with another coat of primer. And then yeah, I got the roof all sanded, so just need to hit the roof, the hood, and part of this side. Then we got this thing all primed up, and yeah, she'll be primed. All right, the wind just started blowing right when I got everything set. But let's see if it doesn't affect it too much. I lowered my PSI on this thing to 25. See what kind of difference it made. It seems like it's getting a lot better at a lower PSI. I had it at 45 before, and this is way better.